Hi everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer helping people all over the world get green cards. This video is a quick update on what's going on with immigration reform. As I shared last week, we saw that the House passed both the American Dream and Promise Act as well as the Farm Workers Modernization Act. And the American Dream Act, as a reminder, provides a pathway to U.S. citizenship by providing green cards to people that have TPS, DACA, and DED. And the Farm Workers Modernization Act creates a temporary status for farm workers as well as a pathway to citizenship for those who want them by giving them the ability to get a green card if they pay a $1,500 fine. You can learn more about these bills in a video that I previously posted, which I'll link to in this video. So, the next steps as far as what's going to happen with these bills that just passed the House last week. First, these bills need to go to the Senate for a vote there. This is going to be an uphill battle in the Senate because of the filibuster. So, very briefly and simply, here's just a really quick explanation of how a bill ultimately becomes a law. So, first, a bill has to be brought to the floor so that the senators can debate it. And then, once the debate is over, then they have to vote on that bill. However, in order to end the debate, they need a supermajority to end the debate, and then they need a simple majority to pass the bill. But because of the filibuster, a senator can use this to keep the debate going on for a very long time to prevent the bill from ever going to vote. But once the bill actually does pass the Senate, it'll go to President Biden for signature, and then it's going to become law. So it's going to be very challenging to get this bill passed. But just because something is difficult doesn't mean it's impossible. I'm still very optimistic that these bills will pass. I'm not really sure when exactly they would pass. I honestly can't tell you because of everything going on. I think it might not be until maybe late spring, early summer. So I really can't tell you when exactly these will pass, but I do feel very optimistic that these bills can pass the Senate and ultimately become law. Um, but just know that it's going to be a long time, whatever ends up happening, because our immigration law needs to be updated. Policies and procedures would need to be created, as well as application forms, or at least creating the process for people to actually apply for these benefits under these bills if they do become law. In the meantime, Republicans also have their own immigration bill proposal. Representative Fred Upton, as well as Lindsey Graham and some other GOP lawmakers last week, they issued their own proposal, which is called the Dignity Plan. And that plan does include protections for Dreamers, and it also creates a 10-year path to some sort of legal status for people that have been living in the shadows in the United States. This dignity plan also would allow immigrants that don't have a serious criminal history to have a pathway to legal status as well. I'll definitely keep you posted on any developments with this bill. As for the U.S. Citizenship Act, aka the Biden immigration bill, I don't have anything new to report at this time on that. Again, this bill would be very difficult to pass because it does need bipartisan support. Both Republicans and Democrats have to be on board to support this bill, and where it just has so many amazing things in there, but Republicans really just cannot get on board with passing this bill. So it's still kind of there. It's not dead yet, but that is going to be very, very difficult to pass. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you get a green card. And be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so that you can keep up to date with all of the immigration updates. Thanks for watching.